In 1993, a poor single mother lived on government support. Today, she is one of the world's most successful writers. Her name is J.K. Rowling. She lived in Edinburgh, Scotland, with no job and no money. She felt lost. She felt afraid. She felt that her dreams were broken. Many people only see her success today. They see books, movies, and fame. But they do not see the years of failure. They do not see the rejection letters. They do not see the tears. J.K. Rowling once said she had hit rock bottom. Rock bottom means the lowest point in life. She had nothing left to lose. But from that low place, something powerful began. A small idea grew into a global story. That story changed her life forever. This story will teach you how broken dreams can become success. This story takes place in the United Kingdom during the late 1980s and early 1990s. It was a time of change. Jobs were hard to find. Life was expensive. Edinburgh was a beautiful city. But beauty does not stop hardship. Cold weather and gray days made life feel heavier. Many people struggled quietly. Dreams often felt far away. Her full name is Joanne Kathleen Rowling. She was born on July 31, 1965, in England. She loved stories from a young age. As a child, she wrote short stories. She shared them with her sister. She dreamed of becoming a writer. But she was not rich. She was not famous. She was an ordinary girl with a big imagination. She was shy. She was sensitive. She felt deeply. As an adult, Rowling's life became very difficult. She moved to Portugal. She got married. Then the marriage ended. She returned to the UK as a single mother. She had a baby daughter. She had no job. She lived on government support. Money was very tight. She often worried about food and rent. She felt hopeless. Hopeless means feeling that nothing will improve. Despite the pain, Rowling still had a dream. She wanted to write stories. She wanted to create a world for children. One day, on a train in 1990, an idea came to her. A boy who discovers he is a wizard. That idea stayed in her heart. She made a decision. She would write this story. Even if it took years, that decision changed her life. Rowling began writing in cafes. She did not have a warm home. She wrote while her baby slept. Her first draft was messy. She made many mistakes. She felt tired. She felt unsure. When she finished the book, she sent it to publishers. One rejection came, then another. She received 12 rejection letters. She felt discouraged. Discouraged means feeling sad and losing hope, but each rejection taught her patience. Day after day, Rowling rewrote her story. She improved characters. She fixed problems. She learned structure. She learned patience. She studied books she loved. She learned from other writers. Slowly, her story became stronger. The world felt more real. She felt small progress. Rowling gave up comfort. She gave up sleep. She lived with stress. She lived with fear. There were moments she wanted to quit. She worried about her child. But she believed in her story. That belief kept her going. In 1996, a small publisher said yes. Only 500 copies were printed. It was a quiet beginning. This was the turning point. From this moment, things began to change. Children loved the book. Teachers shared it. Sales grew. Word spread. Rowling felt hope again. Success means achieving a goal. This was her first success. She wrote more books. Each book became more popular. Publishers trusted her. Readers waited for each release. The story expanded. She stayed focused. She kept writing. Fame brought pressure. Expectations were high. Rowling felt fear again. But she adapted. Adapt means change to survive. She protected her creativity. Chapter 4D, Peak Achievement Harry Potter, became global. Books sold over 500 million copies. Movies reached millions. Rowling became one of the richest authors ever. But more important, she inspired hope. She used success to help others. She donated millions to charity. Her legacy is imagination and hope. First, Rowling taught us failure is part of success. Lesson 2. Persistence creates results. Second, persistence changes lives. Lesson 3. Dreams need patience. Third, dreams take time. Application to English learning. Learning English is similar. You may feel slow. You may feel afraid. But progress comes with practice. Read, listen, repeat. Life wisdom beyond English. Hard times train strength. Broken dreams can heal. Today, J.K. Rowling is remembered worldwide. Her story proves hope matters. You learned a story. You improved your English. That is progress. Thank you for learning today. More stories are waiting. Keep learning. Keep growing. See you in the next story.